Hey everyone, my name is William Harding. Thank you for watching the first part of the video, because I know people were looking to figure out how to use a Discord status on their PS3. So today I got a question from this person here. He asked if there was a way you could change the image. Yes, there is a way to change the image, but it will only stay to that image. Means that image will be permanent. And once it finds that game, it's going to take the image from a source website to make it to that image. If this is not the video you're looking for, I apologize, because this is just for your XMB image. This is not for other things like your games or whatever. I mean, you might have to do more research, because I'm not sure about that. But let's get into this, and hopefully this helps. Alright, so how you would normally do it, sorry. You would go to Microsoft Edge or whatever browser you use. I'm using a virtual machine, so I'm showing you how to do it through the Linux, through the Windows environment. So you need this thing. I put it in the description. You need that program. I have done a virus scan on it. There is nothing on it. I'm gonna let you know that now. I mean, people have been using it like in the last video, like I showed at the beginning, but. So you're gonna basically go to whatever image you need, whatever game you're playing or whatever. This will not transition from every image. You have to change it by one by one. Oops, hold on. I meant the logo, not the console itself. I mean, you could do whatever you want with it, but I'm just gonna do one as a template. But if you're looking for something like transparent, you're gonna have to make that on your own. But I'm going to grab something like, I don't know. Let's go with this. We'll try it. We'll just go with this for now. You're gonna save it. It needs to be in a certain. It doesn't need. Basically, it needs to be in a certain format when I'm not fully aware. But you got that, and then you gotta go to your Discord. Discord development portal. Yeah, this one right here. So you need to go to this site. I mean, you could do this through your regular browser, basically. I'm gonna pause here. I will get back to you when I log in. Okay, so I am now logged into my developer portal. Some of these are the stuff I use for stuff. So here's an example here. I don't know if it's the old one I use. Yeah, this is the old one. So basically, when this is activated, it's going to use your. I know what I did wrong here, and I apologize. So, if you wonder why I'm... Oh, here we go. Client ID. You're gonna need this, and authorization too. Okay, we got that. I'm glad we got that, actually, because I think I'd make this a 40-minute video. But, put that in. You got that set up. Try this again. Okay. I'm gonna check again, see if it pops up this time. Oh, that's why it's not popping up. There we go. There you go, guys. So, as I was being dumb over here, but there is your test RPC. You can do whatever you want to customize this. So, yeah, that's how you do this. And people were asking me how to make an image out of it, and sorry it took me forever to do that, but I hope this helps. I hope hopefully this video gets out there by the time you were looking for this. But okay, anywho, yeah. Okay, so if that helps your question of what does this image do for the XMB, it does the XMB image, not the game's image from the source. I know there's probably a way you can change the source, but that's basically what you can do for now. I'm not sure. I've learned this stuff. I just was scrambling around the internet, playing around with it. It worked fine. So if you want me to figure out more of what it does, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, because it will help a lot for my research. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.